Good morning, Dolores Mission. Welcome to this week's STEAM lesson. And this week we'll be learning about energy. What is energy? Energy is a vigorous exertion of power, and in this experiment we'll be exploring how energy is being used by creating a shake pitcher. The materials we'll be using today are construction paper, scissors, liquid tempera paint, and a large jar with a lid. First off, go ahead and grab your sheet of paper. Just kind of clear your desk a little bit. Cut the paper in half or small enough to fit inside the jar. Now, depending on what type of jar you have, really depends on how large or how small you'll be cutting your sheets of paper. After you're finished cutting up your sheet of paper down to size, go ahead and set them aside. Grab your little containers with a little bit of water in there, and go ahead and pour some gobs of paint inside the containers. I'm using blue, orange, and some yellow. And once you have your paint in there, go ahead and start to mix it. Make sure it's fully mixed and you're all set to go. Now you're going to set these paints aside. Go ahead and grab your jar or container. Unscrew the lid. Place your sheets of paper inside. Now you can do this individually, and then after that you're going to get the paint with the eyedroppers. You can also use straws as an alternative if you don't have any eyedroppers. They work perfectly fine. Go ahead and drop some paint inside the jar. Close the lid. Shake. Now, the energy from the shaking spreads out the paint, and in a matter of seconds, you'll have some type of splatter paint design on those little sheets of paper. There you go. There's the blue one. Now, you don't have to start off with just one color. You could add colors all at once and go from there. In this case, for me, I added individual colors. The next one I'm going to be adding is orange. And then I'm going to put on the lid, shake it vigorously, shake, 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 unscrew it, and there you go. A little bit of mixture of the colors, but you can see both orange and blue. And then lastly, I'm going to add some yellow to the mix. Now, you can do this as many times as you would like. In this case, I've created about maybe 2 or 3 of them, and various sizes, and I'll lay them right next to each other. The cool thing about it is that as you're done, you can piece them together to create some type of mosaic or some type of quilted piece by adding some tape to the back of it and connecting them all together. Thank you, Dolores Mission, for joining me today for this STEAM lesson on energy. Have a wonderful day.